This story is insane. So a woman and her son in Florida check their doorbell camera at 3 a.m. and then they see this thing walking across their driveway. At first you're like, okay, it's probably just a kid. But then when you really look at it, something feels off. It's small, like really small, and the way it moves, it's just not normal. It doesn't walk like a person, and it's almost like dancing or looks like it's gliding across the ground. And I'm not even kidding, it kinda looks like Dobby or something, like obviously joking, but still, it's pretty weird. People online tried to explain it, saying it was a kid or the camera messing with the image. But here's the creepy part. No one ever came forward, no one said it was them, no explanation, no follow-up, just this one clip of something walking through their yard at 3 in the morning.